Students, how are you all? Today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 9, percentage. So basically what is percent? Here percent means that many hundreds, that when we divide any number by 100, that means we are finding its percentage. So here percent means divided by 100. This is the sign of percentage. Now for example, 10% of rupees 200. If we want to find 10% of rupees 200, that means 10% of rupees 200. So we will divide here 10 upon 100 multiply by 200. So it will be equal to, these two zero will be cancelled and 10 into 2 will be 20. So in this way we can find the percent. Now here also, if x percent of x, if we want to find the x percent, that means x hundred, that means x will be divided by 100. So in this way we have to find this kind of value or percentage in this chapter. So on the basis of this we can proceed to our exercise. So in exercise 9.1, in question number 1 we have to express the following as fraction. So in this we have to express it in the fraction. So we have its first part 48%. For expressing it in fraction, 48 will be divided by 100. So 48 upon 100, first we will cancel it by 2 times, so it will be 24 upon 50, then by 2 times, so it will be 12 upon 25. So 12 upon 25 will be answer. So a remaining part you can try yourself, they are also same. Now see question number 2, express each of the following as decimal. So in this we have to express them in decimal. So in first part we have 6%. So we can write it as 6 upon 100. So it will be 0.06 answer. So remaining part you can try yourself. Now after this, see question number 3. In question number 3 we have expressed the following as percentage. So here we have to express in percentage. For expressing in percent we have to multiply it by 100. So we have 9 upon 25. So 9 upon 25 will multiply by 100. So when we cancel it, so 25 it will be cancelled by 4 times. So 9 into 4 will be 36%. So answer will be 36%. Now see question number 4. In question number 4 we have to convert the ratio 4:5 to percentage. For converting it in percentage we can write here 4 upon 5 into 100. So this 100 will be cancelled by 5 20 times. So it will be 4 into 20. Answer will be 80%. So in this way we can do this question. Now after this, see next question. So after this, see question number 5. In question number 5 we have to express 125 as a ratio. So for expressing 125 as the ratio, we can write 125 upon 100. So here we can cancel it by table of 25. So 25 5 are 125 and 25 4 are 100. So it will be 5 upon 4. So we can write it in the ratio 5:4. Now after this, see question number 10, and remaining questions are same. So you can do all these questions. So see question number 10. In question number 10 we have a man save 18% of his monthly income if he save rupees 3780 per month. Here we have to tell what is his monthly income. So we have to find his monthly income. So here we can take, let his total monthly income be rupees x. So his total income be x. Now saving percent, so what percent he save in 1 month? It will be 18%. And also total saving, his total saving of 1 month is rupees 3780. So according to question we can take here 18% of x equal to 3780. So here 18% of x means 18 upon 100 into x. So it will be equal to 3780. Now for finding value of x we can do here cross multiply. So 100 will multiply by 3780 and 18 will be divided. So by dividing 3780 by 18 it will be 210, and 210 will multiply by 100. So 210 into 100 will be rupees 21,000. So here we can say that total income equals to rupees 21,000. So after this, see next question. So after this, see question number 13. In question number 13 we have to tell that Sonal attended her school on 204 days in a full year if her attendance is 85%. Then here we have to find the number of days on which the school was open. So here in this case, let the number of days school open be x. So we are taking the number of days school open will be x, and here we have given number of days Sonal attend the school, that is 204, and percentage of attendance is also given. Percentage of attendance is 85%. So here according to question we can write 85% of x, that is equal to 204. Now here 85 upon 100 into x equal to 204. So here we can find value of x. So value of x will be 204 into 100, and this here 85 will be divided. So here we can solve. First of all, cancelling by a table of 5. So 5 20 times, here 5 will be 17 times, and we can divide 204 by 17, so it will be 12. So here 12 into 20 will be 240. So number of days school open, it will be 240 days. So answer will be 240. Now after this, see next question. So after this, see question number 15. In question number 15 we have the price of petrol goes up by 10%. So by how much percent must a motorist reduce the consumption of petrol so that the expenditure on it remain unchanged? So according to this question we have given that the price of petrol is increased by 10%, and here the motor consumption has to be reduced by what percent, so that there should not be any kind of expenditure, or expenditure should be unchanged. So here we can take that let the petrol, it is the price of petrol, let the price of petrol, so here price of petrol be rupees x. So here in price of petrol after increase, so petrol of price after increase 10%, here it will be 10% of x plus x. So 10 upon 100 x plus x, it will be 1 upon 10 x plus x. So by taking LCM here we can write here x plus 10x upon 10, so it will be 11 upon 10x. So after increase in 10%, it will be equal to 11 upon 10x rupees. Now after this, here we have to tell increased price, that means how much price is increased. So here 11 upon 10x minus x. So here by taking LCM again, it will be 11x minus 10x upon 10, so it will be 1 upon 10x. See, this price is price after increase, and this is the price that how much rupees increased. So here we have to tell the percentage for motorist, so that the expenditure will be remain unchanged. So percentage to be reduced, so it will be 1 upon 10x divided by 11 upon 10x into 100, because we have to find the percentage of these two terms. So when we find the percentage, so it will be 1 upon 10x upon 11 upon 10x into 100. So by taking solving this, it will be x upon 10, it will be reciprocal, so it will be 10 upon 11x into 100. 10 will be cancelled, and here x will also cancel. Now here will be 10, here 100 upon 11, so 100 upon 11 will be 9 whole 1 upon 11. So percentage will be 9 whole 1 upon 11%. So here we can say that a motorist must be reduced 9 whole 1 upon 11% of his consumption, so that the expenditure will be unchanged. So in this way you can do this question. Now after this, see next question. So after this, see question number 18. In question number 18 we have an alloy contain 40% copper, 32% nickel and rest zinc. So find the mass of zinc in 1 kg of the alloy. So here we have given alloy. So what is alloy? Alloy is a kind of object which is formed by mixing so many kind of elements. So here we have 3 elements, copper, nickel and zinc. These 3 elements are added to make a alloy. So here the percentage of copper is 40% and percentage of nickel is 32%. And first of all we will find the percentage of zinc. So what is the percentage of zinc? percentage of copper and nickel will be subtracted from 100, because total percent is 100. So 100 minus 40 plus 32, it will be 100 minus 72, so it is 28%. So here 28% of zinc is added. Now here we have to tell the mass of zinc in 1 kg of alloy. We have to find the mass of zinc in 1 kg of alloy. So here percentage of zinc in 1 kg of alloy we have 28%. So here we have to find 28% of 1 kg, or we can find 28% of 1000 gram, because in 1 kg there are 1000 gram. So we can solve it 28 upon 100 into 1000. So it will be 0, 0 will be cancelled. Now 28 will multiply by 10, so it will be 280 gram. Or we can say that the percentage of zinc in 1 kg of alloy is 280 gram, or the weight or the mass of zinc in 1 kg of alloy will be 280 gram. So in this way you can do this exercise. So all the questions are almost same, so you have to complete this exercise. So after this, your homework in this, you have to do exercise 9a with solved example. All the solved examples also you can try, and also try exercise 9b, that is optional. This exercise is optional, so you have to complete this chapter, and on next session we will start our next chapter. So thank you for watching the video.